Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a logo with LogoMaker step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the LogoMaker website. Once the site is loaded, look for the Get Started button in the center of the homepage. Click on the Get Started button to begin the logo creation process. You'll be taken to a page where you can enter your company or brand name. Type in the name you want for your logo and click on Continue. Next, you'll choose your industry from the drop-down menu provided. Select the most relevant category that fits your business type. After that, it's time to pick an icon that represents your brand. Browse through the list of icons or use the search bar to find something specific. Click on the icon you like to add it to your logo design. Once your icon is selected, you'll proceed to customize it further. You can adjust the size and position of the icon on the canvas. Now, let's change the text style and font for your brand name. Click on the text area to edit the font type, size, and color. Experiment with different styles until it aligns with your brand vision. You can also add a tagline if you wish to include more information. After customizing the text, move to the background settings. Choose a background color or opt for a transparent background if preferred. Make any final adjustments to the layout and spacing of elements. Once you're satisfied with your logo design, click on the Preview button. Review how your logo looks in various applications, like on business cards or websites. If everything looks good, click on the Download button. You will be prompted to choose a download format that suits your needs. Select the desired format and proceed with the payment if required. After payment, your logo will be ready for download. Save the logo file to your computer for easy access. Now you have a professional logo designed with LogoMaker ready for your brand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.